I'm thrilled to announce that I am coming to your city beautiful Chandigarh for a startup workshop. So दोस्तों, are you ready to learn how to start your business and map your business strategies? We will cover everything you need to know to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. But wait, there is something very unique going to happen in this workshop. On the table, we are bringing a unique quiz for you. कौन बनाएगा भारत को सोने की? Test your knowledge, challenge your peers, and discover what it takes to make India a golden world of startups. So, aspirants, see you there at Chandigarh University for this entrepreneurial work.